Very good morning and very warm welcome to my channel, guys. Before I start today's video, I request all of you to subscribe our channel. If you really appreciate the videos prepared by us, then do like, comment and share with others. Guys, today's video is on IELTS real exam writing task. And this task was conducted on 27 July 2024. Here is the statement. Many people believe that university students should study a full range of subjects instead of some specific subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this viewpoint? Being the part of university in itself demands a lot of hard work in study as the level of education is higher, so tough. The purpose is to produce the talent with skills so that the students can be prepared for the current workforce. However, there is a different mindset which demands the introduction of a full range of subjects rather than specific ones so that the learners can be beneficial. To start with the need to have more subjects, the learners get an exposure to multiple disciplines which further encourages the interdisciplinary thinking and develops problem-solving attitude. Apart from this, a wide range of skills and knowledge makes the pupils more adaptable in a rapidly changing market. Therefore, the valuable skills are a need of today's complex and interconnected world. The outcome can be easy access to different careers if the demand of primary choice of stream goes down. The broad curriculum ensures that students receive a well-rounded education, fostering critical thinking, creativity, and a broader understanding of the world. The students are informed and engaged citizens aware of the social, political, and cultural issues, which helps them in their personal growth as well. However, choosing specific field allows the students to gain in-depth knowledge required in different professions and research positions. We cannot deny the expertise gained by learning a specific subject at higher level that makes the learners more efficient. Their involvement with interest in the learning process improves their overall academic performance and their chances of successful career ahead. The education providers at higher level have limited resources, so a focused curriculum can allow a deeper investment in the quality of education in the specific fields. In conclusion, I opine that the hybrid approach must be followed so the curriculum in the universities can be designed in such a way that the learners get the essential skills and knowledge of multiple disciplines, as well as specialized knowledge of their chosen field. In this way, they can be better prepared for the complexities of the modern work culture. So guys, this is all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching till end. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Do subscribe our channel.